portion sand, 1 portion cement, 3:1 ratio. It is mixed both as a dry mix as well as a wet mix. So if they mix it both as a wet mix, it looks like concrete, and then they mix it dry also as dry powder mix and keep it aside. The colors, the colors used to come from Germany before, the paint colors, but now it comes from Mumbai. They take those powdered colors and they mix it with plain, simple water. When the orders are placed by companies or individuals or whoever wants to, corporate offices, if they want this style of tiles, and they give them the design as well as the color specifications, what colors go where. Okay, and they can make up to 400 tiles in a day when they work in tandem. Once all this is prepared and ready. So they mix everything, keep it ready, and he would on that raised platform, in a small wooden thing, he places a glass. Okay? On top of the glass, your mold goes. A frame and then a mold. And you would see them taking out the different colors which go into each area, pouring it there. Watch how it's done, and then I'll tell you, a tile takes 15 days to be made. That's not the word, but it takes close to 5 minutes if they do it non-stop to make a tile, 5 to 6 minutes, and they can make a maximum of 400 in a day. The metal frame goes and then comes the mold. First time anybody places an order for a new design, they will have to pay for that mold extra. It's going to be expensive. Watch it. Now you don't need my pen. That's like a white, the dull, and then comes the yellow. And these color specifications, the company or whoever is given the order, they give. Okay, you just press it so that it's pressed evenly rather than being pouring all the gas.